going to make a comparison here. These two larger tips are the ones that are already available in the market for bisacrylic composites. With Primart's tip, there will be less product accumulated inside the tip, and that, after several applications, saves you a lot of money. Now, I'm going to show you a step-by-step demonstration with Primart. In this case, we're going to make one single temporary crown for an anterior tooth. So in this case, we're going to use the cartridge. Well, it's very simple. We're going to use the universal dispensing gun in the 1:1 proportion. It is compatible with any dispensing gun available in the market. Remove the lid and introduce the self-mixing tip, which is small but allows for excellent mixture of the material. We're going to apply the product inside the guide. It is possible to notice the consistency, the rheology of the product. It contains thixotropy, which facilitates application and prevents the product from running off, but at the same time allows for good replication of details. The application takes around 40 seconds and it has to be in the mouth for 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, which is the time of the plastic phase, for the removal of the guide and excess material. One of the greatest features of Primart is the low emission of heat during light curing. This generates less sensitivity when we are working on a vital tooth, both for the pulp tissue as well as for the gingival tissue. It is a highly resistant composite, so it's also recommended for long-term temporary prosthesis. It's already beginning to set, so we can remove excess materials with a spatula. And it also has shade stability through time. Here's the immediate result before polishing. There is already some shine, the replication of details.